Good morning, my dear students. Let us discuss sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. See, in sp2 hybridization, one s orbital combined with two p orbitals to give three sp2 hybrid orbitals. Why? Because total three atomic orbitals are combined. One s and two p. Total three atomic orbitals. That's why to give three sp2 hybrid orbitals. In a molecule, if central atom undergo sp2 hybridization, then the shape of the molecule is trigonal planar. Trigonal planar. And the bond angle between two hybrid orbitals is 120. According to hybridization concept, in a molecule, if central atom undergo sp2 hybridization, then the shape of the molecule is trigonal planar and bond angle is 120 degrees. Okay. How 1s and 2p orbitals combine? See. This is s orbital. Okay. S orbital combined with two p orbitals. Two p orbitals, py plus pz. Okay, pz, py. Two p orbitals to give three sp2 hybrid orbitals. These are three sp2 hybrid orbitals. sp2. Total three sp2 hybrid orbitals given. Okay, one s orbital and two p orbitals intermixed to give three sp2 hybrid orbitals. This is sp2 hybridization. Let us discuss one example. Formation of BCl3, boron trichloride. Okay, in boron trichloride, what is the central atom? Boron, atomic number 5. Valence state electronic configuration 2s2, 2p1. Valence state configuration. In the excited state, one electron jumps from 2s to 2p, then configuration 2s1, 2p2. Okay, so in the excited state, boron undergo sp2 hybridization, sp2, and forms three hybrid orbitals. Okay, three hybrid orbitals. Three sp2 hybrid orbitals. Okay, now these three sp2 hybrid orbitals having three unpaired electron. Each sp2 hybrid orbital having one unpaired electron. Total three unpaired electron. This sp2 hybrid orbital one unpaired electron. This one unpaired electron. This one unpaired electron. Now this sp2 hybrid orbital overlaps with 3p orbital of chlorine atom. We know already, we discussed in the previous example. Chlorine has one unpaired electron in its 3p orbital. So now this sp2 hybrid orbital overlaps with 3p orbital of one chlorine atom and forms one sigma bond. And this sp2 hybrid orbital overlaps with 3p orbital of second chlorine atom, and this sp2 hybrid orbital overlaps with 3p orbital of third chlorine atom. Total, how many sigma bonds are formed? 3 sigma bonds. This is what type sigma bond? What type overlapping? This is sp and this is p. So spp overlapping. This is spp overlapping. This is spp overlapping. Why? Because this is blue color sp orbital, sp hybrid orbital, and this is black color p orbital of chlorine atom. So pure orbital. This is pure orbital. These are hybrid orbitals. Okay. Total, how many sigma bonds are formed? 3 sigma bonds. Okay. 3 sigma bonds. B bond Cl, Cl, Cl. Trigonal planar shape. Bond angle is 120 degree. Shape trigonal planar, bond angle 120 degrees. Okay, no? So this is the formation of BCl3. In BCl3, in the first excited state, boron undergo sp2 hybridization. Okay, let us discuss one more example. Okay, formation of C2H4 ethylene molecule C2H4. In C2H4, each carbon undergo sp2 hybridization and forms 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. Okay, carbon atomic number 6, electronic configuration 2s2, 2p2, ground state, excited state 2s1, 2p3. Now one s orbital and 2 p orbitals undergo sp2 hybridization and forms 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. Each carbon forms 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. There are 2 carbon atoms, total 6 hybrid orbitals. Okay, see, this is one carbon, this is another carbon. Okay, this carbon forms 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals, this carbon forms 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. In 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals, 2 sp2 hybrid orbitals overlaps with 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. 1s orbital of hydrogen atom and forms 2 sigma bonds with 2 hydrogen atoms. In this carbon also, 2 hybrid orbitals overlap with 1s orbital of 2 hydrogen atoms. Total 4 hydrogens. So 4 hydrogens, each carbon sp2 hybrid orbitals overlap with 1s orbital of 2 hydrogen atoms, forms 2 sigma bonds. This carbon also forms 2 sigma bonds with 2 hydrogens. Remaining, this carbon has 1 sp2 hybrid orbital, this carbon has 1 sp2 hybrid orbital, because each carbon forms 3 sp2 hybrid orbital. Now this sp2 hybrid orbital overlaps and forms sigma bond between 2 carbon atoms. Okay, sp2. Okay, now, and also there is one anhybrid orbital is there. Each carbon one anhybrid orbital. So that anhybrid orbital. This is anhybrid orbital. Okay, sideways overlapping, lateral overlapping. We know anhybrid orbitals forms pi bonds. This is pi bond. This is sigma bond and this is pi bond. So this is what type of overlapping? Sigma, this is sp2 and this is s. sp2s overlapping. This is what type of overlapping? Sigma, this is sp2 carbon, this is also sp2 carbon. sp2. Okay, total how many sigma bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 sigma bonds, 4 sp2s and 1 is sigma sp2. Okay, total 5 sigma bonds and how many pi bonds? 1 pi bond. Ethylene molecule having 5 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. Okay, see this sigma bond between 2 carbon atoms, sigma bonds with hydrogen, and this is pi bond. Total sigma bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 pi bond. So this is the structure of ethylene molecule. Got it? So in ethylene molecule, carbon undergo sp2 hybridization. This is the another example for sp2 hybridization. Okay.